Hey jammers, BellaNJ here. Today, I just want to say thank you for giving me 434 subscribers, I think. Thank you guys, it's mean a lot for me. I'm gonna just go on YouTube, shoot it. It's amazing, I just can't believe. Like guys, I started to really like having a channel because you know guys, I was really shy to show who I am really. And also you can see me really crazy on this video page and I equal drunk. Yeah, that's kind of awkward, but it's funny. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, wait, I'm gonna change this look because that's a guy look. My friend made it one that, this one, and he won twice save that. Well, okay. Today it's a giveaway. So today I'm giving away an epic plushie. I don't know if it's gonna be a penguin, but I think it's gonna be my panda, so the panda is gonna be giving away. So just comment below your username, your stat, and if your reason why you want it. Also, don't say I got scammed, I got hacked. It's not gonna help you to get more chance to win. But you can say I really like it. I don't know. Just pick a good reason. Also, I'm gonna pick in random to random generate. And also please guys, I'm begging you, just go subs to him. He's really amazing. He's almost getting 100 subs, guys. If you're giving him 100 subs, I'm gonna be the most happy girl in the world. And yeah, I will be so happy. I'm gonna scream. I'm gonna be crazy. I'm gonna organize a party to just for that. Also, yeah. Go next. Well, guys, yeah. So, oh, okay. Okay, so yeah, just comment below username, stat, reason why you want it. I'm gonna wait to have 20 comment and more. So also if you watched my old video, comment with your reason, comment wild. And if you don't have it, you're just gonna if you shoot your I pick you and I see in your reason your word wild is not on it, I choose enter person. So don't forget to write wild in your reason because you're gonna have I'm just gonna pass for another one. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I love you so much and have a nice day on Level Jam.